Hello, we are going to learn how to find the area of a triangle. There are many types of triangles, and here are some examples. When we talk about the area of a triangle, we are referring to the part that is shaded in blue. To find the area of a triangle, we have to know what the height and the base of the triangle are. The height of the triangle must always be perpendicular to the base.
What do you mean by perpendicular?
By perpendicular, we mean that the height must stand at right angle, which is 90 degrees, to the base. Any one side of the triangle can be taken as the base of the triangle. Once we take a side as the base, a line drawn from it at right angle to the opposite corner of the triangle will be the height of the triangle. Given the bases, can you identify the height in the following triangles?
That means a triangle can have more than one set of base and height?
Yes. Take for example, if we turn this triangle upside down and change its base to this side, we will also have to change the height. To get the correct height, we have to extend the base of the triangle on the right. Then we draw a perpendicular line up from this extended base until it touches the opposite corner of the triangle. This line is the height. So, we have another set of height and base for this triangle.
Okay, I know now that a triangle in fact has three different sets of heights and bases. How do we find the area of a triangle after knowing the height and the base of the triangle?
Good question. One way is to place a grid over the triangle and count the number of square units that the triangle covers. The area of this triangle is 10 square units.
But what if we do not have a grid?
Let's look at the triangle with the grid again. We can draw a rectangle around the triangle using the corners of the triangle as a guide. What can you tell about the triangle and the rectangle now?
Wow! The triangle is actually half of the rectangle, and the height and the base of the triangle are equal in units to the length and the breadth of the rectangle.
Yes. Therefore, if we find the area of the rectangle and divide it by 2, we get the area of the triangle. Area of rectangle equals to length times breadth equals to 5 times 4 equals to 20 square units. Half of that is 10 square units, which is the area of the triangle.
Is it the same for other types of triangles too?
Yes. Take a look at these triangles. I can draw rectangles around them too, using their bases and heights as guides. Similarly, the area of each triangle is equal to half of the respective rectangle. So now do you know how to find the area of triangles without using grids?
Let me think. Since the area of triangle is half the area of the rectangle, we will just need to find area of rectangle and halve it. The formula should be half times length times breadth. However, we know that the length and the breadth of the rectangle is in fact the height and the base of the triangle. So, the formula can be changed to be half times base times height. I have got it.
That's right. If we know the height and base of the triangle, we will be able to find its area. Now, it's your turn to try to find the area of this triangle.
Let me try using the formula to find the area of this triangle. The height of this triangle is 8 centimeters and its base is 6 centimeters. So, it should be area of triangle equals to half times base times height, which is equals to half times 6 times 8 square centimeters, which is equals to half times 48 square centimeters, equals to 24 square centimeters. The area of the triangle is 24 square centimeters.
Good job, Turbo Girl. Let's try to do a more difficult sum. Turbo Girl, do you think you can find the shaded area of the rectangle?
I can see a triangle, but the shaded area is not a triangle. Geez, this is a tough one.
Let me give you some hints to help you along. You have told me that you can see a triangle in the rectangle. Now, if I were to cut away the triangle from the rectangle, what is left is the shaded area of the rectangle. I am sure you know how to find the area of the rectangle, and you can also find the area of the triangle. Do you think you can solve it now?
Oh, I know. Firstly, I have to find the area of the rectangle, which is 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and that means its area is 50 square centimeters. Then, I find the area of the triangle. It is half times base, which is 10 centimeters, and times height, which is 3 centimeters. The triangle has an area of 15 square centimeters. To find the area of the shaded part, I take away 15 square centimeters from 50 square centimeters. The area of the shaded part of the rectangle is now 35 square centimeters.
That is excellent work, Turbo Girl. Now, let's look at this shape. Do you think you can find its area?
I can't.
Well, sometimes we can make use of what we know about finding the area of triangle to find out the area of other shapes which are made up of triangles. This shape is made up of 4 of the same triangles. To find its area, we have to find the area of one triangle and then multiply that area by 4.
Oh, I see. The area of one triangle is half times 4 centimeters times 8 centimeters, and that is 16 square centimeters. So the next step is to take 16 square centimeters times 4, which will give us 64 square centimeters. The area of the shape is 64 square centimeters. That is not so difficult after all.
Mathematics is fun and easy if you pay attention and learn during lessons. Now, you try to find the area of the shaded part of this triangle. We are at the end of today's lesson, Turbo Girl. Can you tell me what you have learned today?
I have learned that I need to know the height and the base of a triangle in order to find its area. In a triangle, its height is perpendicular to its base. I have also learned that the formula for finding the area of a triangle is half times base times height.
Well done, Turbo Girl.